Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with channel SMP Auto 5000, and we have to workshop Auto 5000 in this here, and then we met the Hatsu Datsun. Yes, right. This is Datsun Go from Nissan. Yes, the car is like this. This upper behind, and this from back, and this is Daihatsu Panca apa Datsun Panca. Okay, this Datsun Nusantara. This is the logo of Datsun. Okay, and now we want to make a tutorial about this Datsun is how to open the hood. Yes, and the hood is very simple way to open or close, but if you don't know, so you're very confused and very hard to think because you don't know, and to know you must see in this video. And to open the hood is this is step on stepnya. The first, we must open this door for driver door, and then when you after open, you can see the dashboard, and after you see the dashboard, you can see the outside corner from right corner or dashboard, and then you can see the stick to pull it, and then you can pull it, and you can see the sound puk gitu, or that sound get file to open it the hood, and then you can close the driver door, and after that you can set to the hood, and you can open it the hood instead. Okay, after to open the hood, you can see a gap and hood and bumper. Yes, you can gap 5 centimeter, and then you can pull it to the stick of the open the hood, and after you open, you can stand the hood stand, and for that you must need to hand. Yes, okay, we can try to the open the hood. Yes, like this. Yes, first we set to driver door, and after that we open the door, and we see the dashboard, and the corner of the right we can see this stick, like this stick. This, okay, you see that? Yes, this stick, and even you see this stick, you can pull in like this. That sound is fan to the open the hood. Okay, like this, you can pull it, and this dashboard on the corner to right. Okay, and after that you must close the driver door, and then we are set to the hood. Okay, now like this, we close the door. Yes, and after that we see the hood. Like this. This is the hood. Kind of open. You see that? Yes, you see. Yes, this is the gap. This is the gap, and like this gap from hood and the bumper. And after that, you can see this stick. Yes, and you can right. Okay, do this. Okay, this is very simple, and now you can try yourself. But before we can do practice. See, okay, let's try like this. You can pull it, and then you can get the horn, and then we find to the stand of engine over this, over this, on the back, and you can stand this engine stand, hood stand. This is this is the hood stand, and you must get to this place. Okay, and this is to the pull it to the hood. Yes, like this. And after we open the hood, we can very much to check of item and engine. And the first we can see the engine fluid, brake fluid. This is brake fluid, and then the wiper, the water wiper. We can you see, and then we can check the radiator or coolant for radiator and the condition and AQ or aki, and then we can see the oil engine. This is the condition. Yes, we can check, and most of else like the fan bell or V bell, yeah, we can check. Okay, nah, to try again, you must know step and step. Yes, the first you must open the driver door, and after that you must like this. You must open and open. You see the dashboard of the car on the right, and this is stick for the open the hood like this, and then after that you can close the door to driver, and you sort to the hood, and after that, and then you must pull it this lock, and after that we need to the make stand engine to the place. Okay, this is very simple. And to the close this hood, this very simple, and like this. Yes, we must pull out the stand hood, and after that we can gap to 10 or 15 centimeter gap from hood and the bumper, and after that we must shook it, and that is the close. That's very simple. Nice. And let's try like this. First, we got the gap, and after that we can close. Oh, it's very heck. Like this. That. Okay. Now you can see and know about open and close the hood, and you don't confuse again and anymore. You must see channel SMP Auto 5000 video, and don't forget to subscribe and share, and everyone you want to make it any tutorial, you can this commentar for column. Okay, see you next time. In the next video we must get it to the very much tutorial. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Auto 5000, safeguard life better.